everybody, so this video is all about belief and what you choose to believe. Now if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell for daily little notifications and when I put up a cheeky video. So what is a belief? Well, a belief is an assumption or something that you live your life by. And some beliefs are conscious and some are unconscious. Sometimes we don't know the beliefs that we are held to until we do the deep work to kind of really look at the root cause of some of our problems or some of the things that we come up against. That's what a belief is. Now, I was taught a really, really beautiful thing once, that in the word belief is the word lie, L-I-E. Now, depending on the quality of your belief will either make you believe or it'll be a lie about yourself. Now, a lie can be something like, I'm not good enough, I'm not attractive, I can't afford this, I can't have this, I'm not that. That's what a belief is if it doesn't empower you. It's a lie. It's a complete and utter lie. So it is your choice to choose which beliefs empower you and which beliefs disempower you. So we're just actually doing a speaker event at the moment, and we're going through what some beliefs and doubts and limiting beliefs that some of the participants are taking part in, have been taking part in all their life, and they've been kind of like unknowing kind of participants to their own kind of beliefs. So it's one of those things that it's just, once you choose to let go, once you choose to accept that you can change your beliefs and change the quality of your thoughts and the quality of mind, you can really change the quality of your life. Okay, so what you choose to believe determines your success, determines the success of others, determines the freedom of others, it determines everything. Okay, so make sure you're very, very strict and very strong about the quality of beliefs you choose to believe, because if it's not empowering you, it's a lie. Remember, belief, B-E-L-I-E-F. There's a lie in the middle of that. If it's not empowering you, it's a lie, and you can change that and choose that. Right then, have an awesome, awesome day. Remember, hit subscribe, hit that notifications bell, and I will see you later.